Yo, what's up, Playmakers? It's your boy Freddie Davis III on Undrafted Media Group. Listen, we are taking a pause on Takeaway Tuesdays, and we're going to return April 4th. Mark your calendars, that's April 4th. We got new, fresh content coming for y'all. We have a new setup that we're going to do, and we just thank y'all for tuning in and just joining in the community, liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. Thank y'all so much. We have a lot of things that we want to do for this channel. And we have the UMG vlogs that's going on right now, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned on the vlogs. We also have the YouTube channel. We also have a website that's coming soon. All right, so don't want to miss it. Make sure y'all lock in. And if there's anything that you want to see on this channel that we do as far as gigs or events or whatever the case may be, you have a question, please leave it in the comments. So if we're able to answer that question, we can talk about it on Takeaway Tuesdays or some kind of other day. All right. So listen, I love y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Undrafted Media Group. We making plays. Coolio.
I feel a wave